California is burning again. Each year, wildfires scorch millions of acres, displacing thousands and leaving a trail of destruction. But what's really fueling this devastation? From prolonged droughts to powerful winds, the causes are complex. Climate change is making wildfires more frequent and intense, but human activity plays a role too. Climate graphs and charts showing rising temperatures. Rising global temperatures have created the perfect conditions for fires to spread rapidly. Hotter days, drier landscapes, and reduced snowfall all contribute to this deadly cycle. California's growing population means more homes are built in fire-prone areas. Electrical infrastructure failures and accidental ignitions add to the risk, turning small sparks into raging infernos. Forest management efforts and controlled burns. Experts argue that forest management practices also play a crucial role. Decades of fire suppression have left forests overcrowded with dry vegetation, acting as fuel for these massive blazes. Firefighters are on the front lines, risking their lives to contain the destruction. But is enough being done to prevent these fires in the first place? Homeowners preparing for fire season. Many Californians are taking matters into their own hands, creating defensible spaces, investing in fire-resistant materials, and staying informed on evacuation plans. Affiliate product. To protect your home and loved ones, check out our recommended fire safety kits and emergency essentials in the link below. Stay prepared, stay safe. As California faces an uncertain future, solutions must be found. Awareness, preparedness, and responsible environmental policies are key to combating this crisis. What do you think? Are wildfires preventable? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth explorations into today's pressing issues. Protect yourself with the best emergency fire safety gear. Check out our recommended products in description.